just arrived at the start of the Wilkies Pool in Dawsons Falls, which is the tracks I'm going to do today, and I wasn't able to park up at the visitor centre. There's just so much traffic. Easter Sunday, everyone is circling around trying to find somewhere to park. If you can avoid coming in on a public weekend, I'd suggest it because it's just so crowded here today. There's a veritable spiderweb of tracks around here, so you've got to really watch which one you're on. And I'm planning today to head up to Wilkies Pool, and somehow or other I'm going to loop around and then join the Dawson Falls track. And there's just so many other tracks here as well, but I think those are the most popular too. This is known as the Goblin Forest because a lot of the trees are quite stunted and they've got all the moss dripping off them. It is really cool, such a neat track. You can see how many tracks are here. They're just going in every direction. So this is Wilkies Pool, and if you look really closely you'll see it's just seething with people down there. They're just sitting, they're swimming, they're having their lunch, and in the centre around about there's a very, very smooth rock slide, so some of the people have been going down there. There really are so many tracks here, and I was just going to head off on that one, and some people came down here and I stopped to talk to them, and this is actually the way I want to go. So I'm going to take the, I guess, the higher track to loop around to Dawson Falls. So I've just come up from Wilkies Pools over here, and I'm going to head down back to Dawson Falls via the ridge track, which is that way, but there's also the option of going up to the Stratford plateau. So as you can see, there's just tracks going all over the place. You could spend a lot of time just in this area here. Another junction with, I can go either way. I'm going to go this way, carrying on to Dawson's Falls down there. This is such a cool track. I'm having a great day out here. So if you want to do these tracks, just go to the Dawson Falls Visitors Centre. That's where they all start, and there's just loops going all over the place, and great for kids. With the variety that there is, the kids will love the Goblin Forest, and there's been kids swimming up at Wilkies Pool. If you've done the Wilkies track or the Dawson track, just say yes in the comments. So at that last junction I switched on to the Dawson Falls track. I was on the ridgeline track before then. So the choice here is to go to the base of the Dawson Fall, which is 4 minutes, and or go to the waterfall viewpoint, which is 2 minutes, so I think I'll have to do both. So I've just popped out on the road coming up that track, and it was literally 2 minutes from where that lookout was down to the waterfall. So if that's all the time you've got, definitely do that. Now I'm going to cross the road and carry on the Kapuni loop track, which will take me back to the Dawsons Falls Visitors Centre. If you've been enjoying the video today, be sure to hit the subscribe, and you'll find a lot more walks similar to this in the Trails Walks playlist, and you'll find that on my channel.